great nation, rich in diversity, a living example of unity in diversity, home to over 1,400 million people, a confluence of countless languages and cultures, a land where modernity and heritage walk hand in hand, and where justice is the constitutional right of every citizen. Yet, for many, access to justice is not always easy due to distance, limited resources, and lack of awareness. Justice for all, a brighter future for every citizen. Disha shows the right path and ensures easy solutions. Disha, designing innovative solutions for holistic access to justice, is making access to justice easier, affordable, intelligible, and inclusive. Disha aims to provide a comprehensive, integrated, and technology-driven solution for strengthening access to justice in India. Disha operates through three key components: Tele-law, reaching the unreached. Whether in a village or a city, legal advice is now just a call away through the toll-free number 14454, the Tele-law app, the website www.telelaw.in, or common service centers. Citizens can access free pre-litigation legal consultation directly from qualified lawyers. Nyay Bandhu Pro Bono Legal Services. Under Section 12 of the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987, eligible citizens can receive free legal assistance through the Nyay Bandhu mobile app and the website www.probono-doj.in. Legal literacy and legal awareness programs, empowering citizens with knowledge of legal rights so that they can make informed decisions and stand strong. Disha, a powerful commitment to ensure justice to all, whether a land dispute, a family matter, or labor rights. Legal assistance is now available to all, intelligible, free of cost, and on time.
माननीय श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में विकसित हो रहे भारत के सभी नागरिकों को न्याय तक पहुंच को सुनिश्चित करना न्याय विभाग की पहली प्राथमिकता है। भारतीय संविधान का आर्टिकल 39A आर्थिक भौगोलिक विषमताओं के कारण वंचित लोगों को न्याय तक पहुंच एवं निःशुल्क कानूनी सहायता प्रदान करने का प्रावधान करता है।
दिशा स्कीम से लोगों के जीवन में महत्वपूर्ण बदलाव आया है। अब उन्हें शहरों में जाकर वकील खोजने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। डिजिटल माध्यम से वे स्थानीय स्तर पर ही विशेषज्ञ कानूनी सलाह प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। यह सबके लिए न्याय की दिशा में एक मजबूत कदम है।
मैं सभी नागरिकों से अपील करता हूं कि वे अपने अधिकारों के प्रति जागरूक रहें और इन योजनाओं का लाभ उठाएं। न्याय आपका अधिकार है और न्याय विभाग, भारत सरकार आपके साथ है। धन्यवाद।
Today, millions across the country are benefiting through these initiatives. Disputes are being resolved in time, rights are being protected, and trust in the justice system is growing stronger. When justice reaches the last person, only then does a nation truly become powerful. Through Disha, the Department of Justice is committed to deliver justice to every citizen, every doorstep. Because justice is not just a right, it is the foundation of a strong India.